Senator Henry.
Thank you, Madam President. Again, briefly, of course, any issue with public health and to strengthen our public health environment must be welcomed. But of course, there are some areas of question, a few questions that I have. One, dealing with Section 9. The Principal Act is amended in subsection 1 in paragraph A by inserting immediately after the word business, the words a beauty and wellness center, spa, massage parlor, body art facility. Trying to understand the context of these businesses being outlined there. I would like to know, is it areas of intervention, or is this part of the office of the public health officer? If you could comment on these areas. And of course, the areas of penalties, this seem not like a deterrent, and I would like to know who are generally the persons involved in interacting and violating public health issues that we are moving the penalty from $250 to $50,000. I know we do have public health issues in St. Lucia, especially in poor communities where persons either do not have their septic tank in the right location. Generally, I know a lot of these public health issues. I know also we have public health issues relating to contractors not covering their truck or when they're going around disposing of garbage. And a host of, a lot comes to mind, Madam President, when we speak of public health issues. But in my own experience and being at planning for some time, by far, in a big way, you find poor persons always reporting issues relating to public health. Is it the understanding that if a poor person is found guilty of violating some planning regulations and it's contributing some public health hazard as it relates to the location of the soakaway or the septic tank, that we would charge that person $50,000, which might be an amount in excess of their home, or for worse, that somebody can be imprisoned up to 6 years for violation of public health, which is probably more than some of the more grievous crime that people do commit. I've heard some persons go in for doing more and being penalized with less time. So I just want to get a sense as to what this is, where this thing is about. Are we saying the right thing? Is it something that needs to be amended? And is it really capturing the environment of the persons that is going to the people who are likely to be in violation of this thing? Who exactly? Who are we targeting to put in an amount of $50,000 for violation?